everyone. In this video, I am going to share how to create browser bundle engagement split automation in OmniSend. Browser bundle automation means whenever someone views your store page and does not buy a product and your browser bundle engagement split automation is start. So let's see how it is created. Go to the automation tab and click the new workflow button, and here you will see this many pre-made automations. Today topic is browser abandonment automation, so I will create scratch fully workflow. You will click the create custom workflow button. The first step is to check the trigger, and the trigger is customer enter the workflow when they view a specific page, and customer exit the workflow when they make a purchase in your store. So I will put the URL of my store page, and the next step is you will add the delay for one for 2 hours. And the next step is you will design a first email in the browser bundle engagement split automation. We use almost 2 emails, so I will design the first email. Select your email. First you will write a subject line, and next you will write a pre-header, and next you will add the sender's name, and next you will press the edit contact button, and here you will design the email template. First of all, you will add the your website logo, and here your logo is replaced, and set the layout for your logo section. And the next step is you will add the email text. First you will add the heading, contact name, and set the align center and bold, and set the layout. And heading size is the best size of 22 pixel, and next add the text, and set the font, and set the size. And now then you will add the button. Select your one column layout and set the layout padding, and again add your button, and the next you will add the product recommender. Go to the right and click the quick add action, and here you will add the product recommender means that anyone who has viewed a product on your website, and the subscribers will be shown the product they viewed in the email. And next you will add the layout and add the signature. See you soon. PLH, my website name. You will your choice. You can add the signature and set the section padding. You can your choice. You will set the padding. After adding the signature in the email, you will set the social media link and set the footer. Social media link. You can your choice. You will add the social media link like YouTube, Pinterest, Snapchat, and LinkedIn, Twitter, and TikTok, and others. And you will set the footer. Footer size is the best size of 12 pixel, and set the font. And your email template is ready. Just is a simple template. You can your choice. You will design the attractive template. Now you will design the template. uh, Finish the editing, finish editing button. After design and first email template, next you will add a delay for 1 hour. And the next step is you will add the condition. Your subscribers buying a product, and you will not send the email, and your subscriber not open the email, and again you send the second email. Add the condition. Select the condition of message engagement on open email. Now you will add the no section in email, and again simple method. You will design a email. First write a subject line and write a pre-header, and set the sender's name and press the edit contact button, and design the email template. After design the email template, again you will click the finish editing button, and your template is ready. After design a email template and ready, browse abandoned engagement split automation. You will click the start workflow button on the right side, and your automation is started. Thank you so much for my watching videos. If you have any question, please comment to me. I will surely reply for you.